Aloha friends, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School. Pardon the background noise. Filming from home has its drawbacks, and lawnmowers and barking dogs and jackhammers from next door are kind of, one of the things that just sort of goes on all the time over here. Oh, and I'm also in the flight path for an Air Force base down the road. So there's a lot of background noise, but hopefully we can get through this and you guys will understand today's lesson. So this is a quick lesson on the lick of the day that I did. And it goes like this. You have that. Okay, so what that is I'm holding the second fret of the second string and I'm hammering on to the fifth fret. Then I go down to the fourth fret of the first string and I hammer on to the seventh fret. So then I pull off back to the fourth fret. Then I go to the fifth fret of the second string and then the sixth fret of the third string. Now what happens here is I use my pinky and I do a pull off from 7 to 5. So 7, 6, 5. And so the way I'm doing this is I'm using this finger to hold that first string, so otherwise it's going to I'm going to kind of pull onto there, right? So I go, from there it's a 7, 6, 5, and then I go to 7, 6 on the third string. So now I slide with my second finger from 5 to 7. Then I catch the 5 on the first string. And I do it again. 5 to 7, hit 5. Now I slide from 7 to 9, hit 7. From 9 to 10, and then hit 9. So, okay, so the whole lick goes. That's the lick of the day. And suddenly it got quiet over here. So hopefully you guys like the lesson. If you do, please hit the like button below. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I could always use more subscribers. And if you like the way I teach, please check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. And if you sign up right now, you can get 2 weeks for free. So hopefully I'll see you guys around. Aloha.